Madhya Pradesh has the longest musical lineage, perhaps longer than any other state in India. There are songs to mark the celebration of every occasion. Music forms the bloodline of the state, connecting its past to its present. Music is so deeply rooted among the tribals of Madhya Pradesh that they can produce music out of anything, be it leaves of trees, utensils, seeds of fruits, etc. Although most of them are not trained in music, they passionately follow and practice the various forms of music. Be it the farmers, artisans, or even shepherds, each and every person is musically inclined. Some of the communities even preserve the earliest and most primitive musical instruments that were devised by man. Folk songs in Madhya Pradesh mostly reflect stories of sacrifice, duty, love, and chivalry. Folk music can be classified into three groups. The first is tribal music, which comprises of the most common forms of music in the state. Tribal music is not only rich culturally, it is also practiced by a larger group of people. The second group is country music, which includes legendary narratives, ceremonial songs, devotional songs, love songs, and songs related to work and occupation. The third group of music has a close affinity to the Bhakti cult of the medieval period. These songs draw themes from mythology and range from simple bhajans to art songs, lyrical songs of poets, and devotional songs. The Bastar district, the land of the Maria and the Muria tribes, is known for its haunting melodies. The Relo is a famous type of Muria song which is sung by boys and girls for almost every occasion. Tribal dances to the rhythms of the buffalo horn trumpet and various types of drums called Mandari, Kotoloka, and Kundir announce the arrival of the harvest festival. Wedding festivities are marked with devotional chants by women, while men dance on stilts to the rhythms of the drums. A popular form of a folk song is the Nirguni style of singing that is common in the Nimar region of Madhya Pradesh. Songs composed by saints like Singaji, Kabir, Meera, and Dadu are part of the folk repertoire of this form of singing, which is usually accompanied by instruments like the iktara and the khartal. In the Malwa region, one of the popular forms of folk music is Sanjha music. In this form of music, young girls sing songs in groups while making idols from cow dung. They worship the idols for prosperity and happiness and sing devotional Sanjha songs to them. In all these festivities, folk music forms an integral part of the culture of Madhya Pradesh. To complement the rhythm of the music, the tribals play and practice a number of musical instruments. The Singha, the horn of an animal, is the first ever aeroponic instrument used for music. Flutes and trumpets are played on special occasions by the tribals. Pungi is an instrument used by snake charmers, and Binnur is a horn-shaped instrument used by the Marias to complement their folk music. Other musical instruments include dhol, khanjri, madal, pakhavaj, tapri, khidki, etc. While music forms one of the integral aspects of the culture of Madhya Pradesh, various forms of dance too are practiced widely among the people. In Madhya Pradesh, dance is varied and unique, as every tribal group has its own distinguished form of dance. Some of the popular ones are marriage dance of the Maria Gond, drum dance of the Muria tribe, Fag dance or sword dance, and the Matki dance, where women balance pitchers of water on their heads. The Gaur dance of the Singh Marias or Tallaguda Marias of South Bastar is another popular form of dance. The term Gaur refers to a ferocious bison, and it stands as a symbol of the hunting spirit of the tribe. Invitation for a dance is given by blowing a bamboo trumpet or a horn. While men make their way into the dancing ground with drums and flutes, women, bedecked in ornaments, join the assemblage. During the dance, men attack one another and chase the female dancers while imitating bison movements. In North Bastar, the Murias are trained in all forms of their community dances. During marriage celebrations, the Muria boys and girls perform a dance form called Har Indana, which commences with a group of boys carrying ritualistic offerings and accompanying the bride and the groom to the ceremonial place. This form of dance involves a variety of movements by the dancers, with drummers moving along in patterns or in circles. The Chaitra Dance Festival is another famous festival of the Gonds of Bastar district, which is organized after the harvest season as an expression of gratitude to goddess Annapurna for the harvest already gathered. The dancers wear peacock feathers on the head with colorful costumes, garlands of shells and pearls. As the dancers go round in rhythmic movements, their feet beat to the music of the Shehnai, Nagada, Tapri, Dholak and Madri. To celebrate the diversity in dance forms, a dance festival is organized every year by the government of Madhya Pradesh. The Khajuraho Dance Festival of Madhya Pradesh is one of the most famous dance festivals that displays the culture of the state with great pomp and show. People from all over the world come every year to witness the grandeur of the festival and celebrate the magic of the rich classical Indian dances amidst the glory of the enigmatic temples of Khajuraho. The festival that takes place in the temples of Khajuraho showcases various dance performances like Kathak, Kuchipudi, Bharatnatyam, Odissi, Manipuri and Kathakali. The Khajuraho Dance Festival not only promotes dance forms but also provides artisans and craftsmen with the opportunity to display their arts. The festival even gives the visitors and tourists access to the local handicrafts of Khajuraho. This is the rich and diverse culture of Madhya Pradesh.